Is your Tesla app showing outdated information or failing to update? You're not alone. The primary cause is often the vehicle entering sleep mode to conserve battery. When your Tesla is inactive for 2 to 3 hours, it minimizes cellular activity, preventing the app from receiving real-time data. Other factors include poor network connectivity, either on your phone or the car's connection, and corrupted app cache. The first and simplest solution is to wake up your Tesla. You can do this in a few ways. Physically approach your car with your key fob or phone if set up as a key. Use the Tesla key card on the B pillar, or send a command through the app even if it appears frozen. Any of these actions should bring the car out of sleep mode and allow the app to refresh. Network connectivity issues can prevent your Tesla app from refreshing data. Both your phone and Tesla need a reliable internet connection to communicate properly. First, check your phone's network connection. Look at the signal bars in the top corner of your screen to ensure you have strong cellular service, or verify you're connected to Wi-Fi. Next, check your Tesla's connectivity. On the car's main touchscreen, look for network status indicators or connection settings to confirm it has cellular or Wi-Fi access. If your Tesla is in an area with poor cellular coverage, try moving it to a location with better signal strength. This can help establish a stable connection for app data syncing. Tesla's app version 4.28.1 and later includes a force refresh feature in the settings menu. This bypasses sleep mode more reliably by sending a direct request to wake the car and update the data. First, navigate to the app's settings. Look for the settings icon in the Tesla app interface. Next, toggle the force refresh option. This will immediately attempt to refresh the app data. If the force refresh option isn't available, simply close the app entirely and reopen it. This alternative method achieves the same result by forcing a fresh connection. The force refresh feature helps resolve data refresh issues by bypassing the car's sleep mode and ensuring reliable updates. Step 4 focuses on clearing the app cache, which can become corrupted and cause refresh issues. We'll cover the process for both Android and iOS devices. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Apps, select Tesla, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iOS, since there's no direct cache clearing option, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find the Tesla app, and tap Offload App. Alternatively, you can delete and reinstall the app for a complete reset. Step 5 focuses on restarting your phone, which can clear temporary connectivity issues, preventing the Tesla app from communicating properly. First, locate the power button on your phone. This is usually on the side or top of the device. Press and hold the power button until you see the power menu appear on the screen. From the menu options, select Power Off to shut down the phone completely. Wait 10 to 15 seconds to ensure the phone has fully shut down and any temporary processes have cleared. Press and hold the power button again until the phone begins to restart. Wait for the phone to fully boot up and reach the home screen. This may take 30 seconds to a minute. Locate and reopen the Tesla app from your home screen or app drawer. Once the app opens, check if your Tesla data now refreshes correctly. The app should sync with your vehicle and display current information. Some Tesla app versions have an offline mode, often in beta. While it doesn't provide full functionality, it can allow basic controls even without a strong network connection. Look for this option in the app's settings. If available, enabling it might provide limited functionality while you troubleshoot the network issue. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's time to contact Tesla support. There might be an issue with your vehicle's telematics system or a deeper software glitch. Before contacting support, gather information like your vehicle's software version, the app version, and details about when the refresh issues started. This will help Tesla support diagnose and resolve the problem more efficiently. Be patient and responsive to their requests for information.